Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am really excited for today's video. While in New York, I bought a few things because it is so much cheaper here, and especially without shipping. So in today's video I thought I'll show you what I bought while I was in New York. It was quite a few things. I might have a shopping problem. The first package, I don't even actually know which package is what. So I bought a few brushes from Moffat. Ooh, satisfying. Do not attempt this at home. I'm not going to say that I'm the best person for this job. Okay. Maybe not towards myself, right? Ooh. Double wrap. Okay, so I forgot what I bought. Okay, the first thing that I bought, which I'm really super excited, is the Y6 brush. This brush, you guys will probably know. It is the brush that Laura Lee talks about and raves about for foundation. Let me just feel. I'll put you down. Ooh, so soft. So this is just a blending brush. It is the E27 brush. The next brush is the M433, the Pro Firm Blending Fluff Brush. Wow, that's a really long name. But apparently, like this brush, okay, it is sealed now, like with a zip, like a seal, so I'm not going to open this. But this brush is apparently one of the best blending brushes. Then we have a Y11. It's just for packing on that loose powder under the eyes. The quality of these brushes feel amazing, so that makes me excited. Okay, and the next brush I have, this is, I maybe bought it because it's cute, is the M562, the Tiny Crease Blending Brush. So I've been looking for a brush like this for a really long time. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like a really tiny blending brush for like precision work in the crease. So this is the M437. Why so many numbers? Oh, okay. So this is a contouring brush. And then I bought this pack. Okay, so it comes with a little sponge. And then this is also a foundation brush, because you can never have enough foundation brushes. Wow, that's like a cloud. These two are going to be amazing. I already know it. I'm so excited because my foundation brush, like they don't even sell it anymore. And it is gedaan. The last brush that I have here is just like a fluffy blending brush. Almost like this one's baby. But this one I want to use for blending like some of my concealer. Right, stop. This is so exciting. Okay, so this is from a brand called Makeup Geek. They have really amazing eyeshadow palettes. So they also had a special for 2 of their eyeshadow palettes. So I bought it. Oh, that's nice. It comes with a little card. And the makeup palette was actually for domestic abuse, so it was to raise money for domestic abuse, so that's awesome. Not towards the eye. One is called the Champagne and Rose palette. Don't know if it's focusing or not. And the next palette is called Peach. It's a peachy palette. It looks like that. So this one is more a pinky one, and this one is more a peachy one, guys. Are you ready for what I'm about to say? No, you're not. You are literally not, because I'm not ready. This big package is from Juvia's Place. Now, if you guys don't know Juvia's Place, this is like one of the brands that Nikki Tutorial raves about. And they also had a special. I'm a sucker for a special, like just say special or sale, like, and I'm on that boat. I don't know if I'm gonna have place in my bag for all this. Look there. Okay. Relax. As you can see, we have 6 palettes. Okay, so let me open them. And I know I'm gonna say these names wrong. The first one is the Masquerade Mini. So colorful. Okay, now the Zulu. Ooh. Hello color. Wow. The Nubian. Nope, I'm definitely saying that one wrong. And apparently her eyeshadow palettes are like named after African royalty. Oh yes. Now this is a neutral lover's dream. Then you guys must see the mess around me. The Magic Mini. Ooh. There's the Magic Mini. If I do a video with one of these palettes, I will like do swatches for you guys, but I can't do swatches now. I'll sit here the whole day, and we are going to the Hillsong concert in like 30 minutes, so I can't do swatches now, but I will definitely swatch them as I use them. Wow. Okay, this one is the, now it's that name again, the Nubian. The Nubian 2, I think. Look there. Stunning. I still have like chips and stuff in between all these packets. These chips are the best thing ever. Like hot Cheetos are amazing, but these things are called Takis. Amazing. Okay, then the last palette is Saharan. My mouth is burning. I don't even need another shade in my life again. I literally have everything from colorful to pinky to bridal. I can't wait to play with these. The next stuff I didn't buy online, but I did buy it in stores in the US, and it is products that you can't find in South Africa. So this little packet you probably did see on my previous vlog. It is from Ulta Beauty. So we got the e.l.f. foundation. This was like only $6. Then I also got the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. I also got the Flower Beauty Flower Pot powder blush in the one, I think something peach. Where your name at? Yes, peach primrose. Then I got 2 little e.l.f. brushes. The one is like a blending brush and the other one is a smudging brush. These were like $1 each. That's 15 rand, guys. Ridiculous. Then I got this Color Pop Super Shock Shadow in the color Amaze. And then these two, once again, they were on sale, so whoops. This is the Laura Geller, I think, lip topper or lip gloss high def top coat. And then this was the Smashbox Always On Metallic Matte. I literally don't even know what it is. I think it is a lip topper in Pearl Please. This was probably not a great buy. Then the last 2 things, can you believe it? This too I bought at Target. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. I've heard really good things about this. And then the last thing is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. And that brings me to the end of what I bought in New York. Can you believe it? So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Just almost died from that Sour Patch Kid. I actually thought it was Sour Patchkins, not Sour Patch Kids. But anyway, way off topic. So this brings me to the end of the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you want, please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe, as that really supports my channel. You can also hit, there's a little bell apparently that you can hit, then you will be notified whenever I upload a video, so then you won't miss any of this madness. Always remember, you are worthy, you are loved, and you are beautiful.